lead rope.
Say, hey, what's your baby's name?
Carlos.
Carlos.
Okay. Come on, Patrick. You don't. Are you holding his lead rope?
I got him.
Come on, don't. This is the hard one. Okay.
Walk him out. I'll walk him.
Yeah, I'll let you walk him. Okay, let's go.
Come on, Donk. Uh-oh.
He's turning around.
Well, no.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my, we got the dogs, the horses. Oh my goodness. What's he doing? Carlos! He wants to go back to Vegas. Nuh-uh. Dace. Okay, first time the donkey has seen a horse and the first time the horse has seen a donkey. All I know is his ears is about as big as his whole body.
He has a good mohawk.
Lisa, what are we doing?
Mom, put him in his skull.
Oh my goodness, they just
That's
want to
a
rub.
sign. That's a good sign. His mouth is a good sign.
All I know is I don't want to be anywhere around these things when that guy starts going nuts.
Why is he moving his mouth?
Usually a sign of submission.
He's one.
But maybe
He's trying to bite him.
oh, he thinks he's a girl. He thinks this is his girlfriend.
All right, let's get him in. Let's get him in there. Oh my goodness.